Welcome to Gränna, a small little picturesque town located in Småland, Sweden. Småland, directly translated, means little country. And this very city was founded by this guy, Count Per Brahe, in 1652. The center of the town still remains very authentic, and today we're going to be exploring the city of Gränna and the surrounding areas. So before we head out there, remember to like this video and subscribe. There are new travel videos every week and I really appreciate your support. But for now, let's head out there. Before we head out exploring, I wanted to give you a little bonus tip of visiting the Gränna Museum, which is located on the main square. And there you can learn more about the polar expedition that took place in 1897 by August André, where he attempted to fly a gas balloon over the North Pole. And that is why as well, especially during summertime, you will find hot air balloons flying over Gränna. One of the things that Gränna is most famous for is the so-called polkagris, or stick of rock. This is a candy made of sugar, water, vinegar, and peppermint oil. There are many places where you can see how this local delicacy is made, and here you get to see exactly that. City of Gränna, you find this staircase which leads you up to the Gränna mountain, which we have up there. And during summertime they have a really lovely cafe and a beautiful view over the lake Vättern. And also we have a waterfall right in the town here as well. We have now made it to a place called Uppgrenna Naturhus, which is a converted barn, and they've made it into a big greenhouse. This is a really beautiful place with an amazing view over Vättern and Visingsö. They have some small lunches that you can have, vegan options, and lots of fika treats as well. This is a really cool and unique place and definitely worth visiting. And I can also see up on the mountain there, Brahehus, which we just came from. So yeah, we're going to dig in some food now and enjoy the view. About 5 kilometers south of Gränna, you will find the roaring waterfall, or Röttle Waterfall. This is a little traditional style Swedish town
with red houses with white details. And yes, you have this roaring waterfall behind me here, which this place is famous for. The waterfall down to the lake, you will find the Röttle harbour, where in the past the boats to the island of Visingsö, which is the largest island in the second largest lake in Sweden, used to go. And in the distance behind me, where we see the windmills and the church, we have the actual city of Gränna. 144 steps later, we have made it to the top of Tegnértornet, a 27-meter high tower in the middle of the forest. At the top here you have a panoramic view over 4 Swedish counties, which is absolutely amazing. This is something you should not miss out on if you visit Gränna. I hope that you have enjoyed following along our adventures here today. Please remember to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!